Hi there, I'm here with Paige Ashby and Unpacking the Home Advantage podcast. Paige is the Chief Operating Officer and mentor at Guzzo & Co. During her 20 plus years in the mortgage industry, she's helped many clients to reach their financial goals. Hi, Paige.
Hi there. Today we're going to do a Q&A for future home buying, so ask away.
Awesome. My first question is, how do I determine my budget and how much I can afford to spend on a home?
Right, so we do a discovery call. So we'll meet face-to-face or we can do a Zoom. I like to meet my clients face-to-face because I really want to get to know them and earn the trust. So we'll talk about down payment, your monthly mortgage payment. We'll talk about taxes and insurance and maintenance cost.
Okay. I'm sure you get this next question a lot. What are current mortgage rates? And then also, how do I determine what mortgage program is best for me?
Yeah, so during our consultation, I'll go over the mortgage loan options. So there's conventional FHA, VA, DSCR, bank programs. There's so many, but we will choose one that aligns with your financial goals and circumstances. And then, of course, mortgage rates, right? We would determine that based on your overall scenario, your credit, your income, your down payment, and then that has to align with your debt ratio too.
All right. So what are some important things that I should be looking for when choosing a location or a neighborhood?
So that is something a little bit more of a conversation with your real estate agent because they're the one who's going to map it out on what, where you need to be and what your goals are. So we kind of look at, is it a job location, your lifestyle? Are you upgrading, downgrading, or is it for school? So they'll go over all that with you.
All right. So what additional costs are involved in buying a home outside of the purchase price itself?
So good question. So outside of home buying, the other closing cost is going to be your home inspection and your appraisal fee. And then also we'll go over the taxes and the insurance that is part of the closing cost. And then if there's any maintenance cost.
All right. And I'm sure a lot of your viewers want to answer to this question is, what is the process when it's time to make an offer and close on your new home?
Yes, so the first step we do is a pre-approval. So I will collect all your documents, verify your assets, where the down payment's coming from, and then I'll run it through our system. The great thing about Guzzo & Co. is we have a system that we run just like the underwriter would. So we run your information through our system. It's called automated system. And we get that approval. The underwriter will follow that approval. Obviously, it has to match what we turn in. So once we get that, we can give you a pre-approval letter. So you would have that in hand with your offer. The real estate agent will go over that with you too. And so that will determine if you'll get the offer or not. Usually the selling agent will call us to verify the information. Have we verified your assets? Have we looked at your income? So we will stand by you and give that clarity to the listing agent to make sure the offer is strong. So after the offer gets approved, then the next step will be the home inspection. So you want to make sure the house is solid and good to go, passes all the tests. And then on that end, while you're getting the home inspection, the loan is getting approved. Once we get the loan approval, if that looks clean to me, then I will ask you to order the appraisal. The appraisal is another cost for you. So we want to make sure home inspection passes and the loan approval looks clean because I don't want you to spend more money than you have to. Once the appraisal's done, that should be the last thing, and we should get a clear to close. Now, after the clear to close, I will go over all the numbers with you once the title company and the lender finalizes it, which is a big celebration, a great milestone that you've gone through. And then we just go to the closing table and make sure everything is smooth. And then also the last thing, the most important thing is I have to make sure the wire goes through. So during the process of that, or the day before, that's when I get a confirmation your wire has gone through because you want to get keys to your house and we want to celebrate with you. So hope this has helped and give you clarity on making the right decision for you and your family. If you guys like this information and feel it's helpful, please share and subscribe. Thank you for joining us at Unpacking the Home Advantage.